Hi, I'm Chelsea from RedShark, and today I'm going to be showing you how to illustrate with type in Adobe Illustrator. And if you want to follow along with this tutorial, you can download our working file.
So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a illustration using type in Adobe Illustrator. So the first thing that we're going to do is place our image. I've already placed it, but I'll just show you how to do it. So I have this image in here. You're going to select it and we're going to place it as a template. So you would just hit place. I've already put it in. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to type up our text right here and set it to around the size you want, just to see how well it'll fit. We'll probably need to make it a little bit bigger, but I'm going to go ahead and create outlines. And then, let's see, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, probably about right there. So then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ungroup this text and then group each word individually. And I'm just going to avoid these quotation marks and the hyphen there because I don't want to end up warping those at all. Okay, now that we have it grouped, I'm just going to arrange the words in here how I where I want them to be in the image. We just kind of want to like keep as little negative space as possible so that the words form the shape instead of just kind of looking like weird patchy blocks of letters. So that's good enough for now before we actually start moving things around. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to Object, Envelope, Distort, and we're going to do Make with Mesh. So we're going to do, it says 4x4, 3x3 is fine for what we're doing. We don't want to have too many anchor points moving around. And we're just going to go through and do that for each of our words. And you can do this with pretty much any image. It's just best to look for an image that has like a recognizable shape or like kind of a one block, like anything that has too much form, like too much variation in the form, it might not end up looking right with the letters warped through it, just because you still want to be able to read the letters. Okay, now that we have it all done, we're going to go in here and you're going to start editing the anchor points. So it's best as if you can avoid pulling these anchor points side to side, that's where it starts kind of messing up the letters. We're mainly just going to be going, I'm going to select a few of these and pull it up. I'm going to do these. And it kind of just takes a little bit of time to mess around with it and get them to form how you want them to. Like you can see on this letter T, we can pull this up so it kind of makes the form a little bit better. So you can keep going through and editing these anchor points and pulling the letters as much as you want until it's formed the shape really well. For the sake of time, I've already finished this. I'm just going to pull this up. So here we have the letters. We've warped them in, kind of fit the quotation marks in here. Try not to have too much negative space in between these, the quote and the person who said it. So what we're going to do now is you can go through and just draw your like supporting element. So I've gone through and I've drawn this string and this bottom like tie of the balloon, where you can see here. And then now we're just gonna set our colors. So I'm gonna set this, I think, to this color. And then we're going to put a background on here. And we're all done. You can see our little typography illustration, and you can go over here if you download our file and try out your own. You can use the photo template I've put in here or upload your own.
If you like this video, like and subscribe, and follow our Instagram for more tips and tricks, and subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date.